So this is a video going to show you how you can update the certification statement language on your reconciliations or even your tasks. I'm going to use an example here of a reconciliation, but you can kind of use the same logic and steps here to update it on your tasks as well. So just so you can see for a starting point right here, I am looking at a reconciliation over here in my demonstration environment. And when I come down to the bottom, we have this I certify that, and we have some language, some bullet points down here. And so you could actually set these, set the language to whatever you want it to be. It could be multiple bullet points. It could be, you know, several sentences within a bullet point, really whatever you want it to read. You have the ability to customize what gets shown at the bottom right here. So let's take a look at how we would go about setting that up. So we're going to go to the certification language screen. Okay. And you'll see here at the top here, you have a couple of options. The system gives you the ability, say for your reconciliations, which you see assignment type right here, I've set to account reconciliations. You have the ability to enter a narrative, whatever you wanted to read for all the different workflow cues. So you could have certain verbiage for a preparer, certain verbiage for an approver, certain verbiage for a reviewer, if that's what you wanted. So you can see here for preparer, you can just come into this section right here. You can type whatever you want, and then you can click save right here. And then for all your reconciliations, this is what will be shown when a preparer goes into a rec to prepare it. And if you want to have different verbiage for an approver, you could just change your role here to approver, right? You can see it automatically change, and then just come into this section here and type in what you wanted to read. You do have a little bit of formatting options over here. You can see you can bold, you can underline, you can do some bullets. So some basic formatting that you can use over here. And if you wanted to create your verbiage for tasks, you would just click your drop-down box right here, change it to tasks, and now whatever you're typing into this section right here, this is what an approver would see when they go in to approve a task.